Hey everyone, this is me, Nita, over here at A New You. Welcome back to my channel, and thanks again so much for stopping by. In this video today, guys, I will be doing a clean and decorate my kitchen with me. However, this video is in collaboration with two beautiful women who share the same love for home decor as I do, and that is the lovely Dede Mom Boss and the beautiful Gladys over at Living Clutter Free. Both women have beautiful homes where they showcase their unique designs. And over at Dede Mom Boss, you will find a grand home with luxurious decor. And over at Living Clutter Free, the name simply speaks for itself. Gladys's home is simple yet luxuriously styled, eliminating clutter, therefore giving you an airy and comfortable feel. And guys, then on May the 2nd, we we are hosting an open collaboration where you will be asked to decorate any space in your home using your signature style. Guys, I'm actually going to list the rules in my description box below. And if you are interested, please do check it out. And guys, we will definitely be looking forward to you joining in on that collaboration. All right, guys, so I am going to go ahead and get into this video for today. This video, again, will be me cleaning and decorating my kitchen. Guys, I am decorating my kitchen for the summer. So I will be using yellow decor and lemon accent pieces. So guys, sit back, enjoy, and once again, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Bye bye, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, it's me, Nita, over here at A New You guys. Welcome back to the channel. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. As always, I really appreciate you guys. And to all of my subscribers, I cannot thank you guys enough for the love and the support and the beautiful comments that you leave me on my videos. I want to thank you so much. I love you, I love you, I love you. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get some of this love too. I don't know what you're waiting on, but come on over here, subscribe to the channel, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And so guys, getting into the video, this is a video that I'll be making of me cleaning my kitchen, refreshing my kitchen, and restyling my kitchen for summer. Because guys, I'm here in South Florida and it's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. I don't know about where y'all at, but we ready for summer. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, guys. And in the video, guys, what I'm gonna show you is little snippets of the different areas that I'm gonna be cleaning, like up high and the cabinets at the top. I'm gonna just show like 10-second clips of each area that I'm gonna clean. And then what I'm gonna do is go take off these clothes and snatch this wig off so I can clean for real. And then I'll be back to show y'all the ending with it decorated and cleaned all up, okay? So let me go ahead and get started on the video, and I will see you guys in a little bit. That's what I'm talking about. I cannot clean for real, trying to be all pretty. So, y'all, I'm going to get out these, what I told y'all earlier. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna show y'all one more thing before I go snatch it all. Hold on. Hey guys, really quickly, I want to show you guys this new vacuum that I purchased off of Amazon. It is actually really good. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but using it brand new, it works really well. It's cordless. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I guess it's Nequer. I don't know. But anyway, it is a cordless vacuum. It has the detachable parts where you can use it as a handheld, and it has the attachables as well. It came with 2 attachables. It's very powerful. It's swivel. It's very compact. It's small. So I like it. And you can use it on hard floors and carpet. I'm gonna leave a link for this vacuum in the description box below. And yeah, but I just started using it and it has worked great on my car. Really quickly in the kitchen, guys, and just wanted to stop back in and tell you guys about this vacuum. Y'all, no lie, I love this thing. I like it. I honestly hope it lasts, and I hope that it is made of good quality material, because I actually like this thing. And if it's not well made or well constructed, I'm gonna be so disappointed.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily, 'cause baby we got chemistry. We got something special, but you want the whole world. Cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to